morning, friends. We have a bit of a situation. Exhaustion is catching up to me. I'm so fucking tired. I have a breakfast. I bought a gem. Marmite. I don't know, one of those yesterday. And I'm making myself coffee. I was woken up by lovely rain. Drizzle, maybe. It's a bit of a mess. I can barely fit in the amount of shit that I put out. Yeah. I'm falling apart, but this is a new start. So let's get started with Sweden. First Swedish town. So far there's too many Germans already. There seems to be some market or something. Lots of people. Naturreservat Vasikavooma. Well, what it means is for next 240 kilometers we will be out of the civilization. I think we will meet few small villages, but for the most part that's about it. Now that I'm thinking about it, fuck. Oh, I have a fly in my eye. Now that I think about it, I don't know if I have enough food, which might have been good to figure out before, but no, I think I will be good. Like, you know. Hello and good morning, friends. It's another lovely day. It's 6th Saturday, so hopefully some shops will be open. I just woke up after finally having good night's sleep. No mosquitoes, no water. That didn't help either, but I think that might be actually why there are no mosquitoes here. Few cars, because I'm right next to the road. I don't know if it's visible, but that's a small price to sacrifice for good night's sleep. I think I slept like 9 hours or so. Yeah, and this is where I sleep. I'm trying to pick it up. I will show you. Yeah, I'm trying to pick it up. I think it's like 7 a.m. or so. Right now, I think I will ride for like 50 kilometers to the next town where there's some shop so I can buy some supplies and mainly water, because today will be rough. Very much bad today. I want to attempt 150 kilometers. It should go only on a road, but at the same time, it is 150. Eh, if I go slowly, like, it should be fine, right? Hopefully. Let's go. And that's, friends, how you do it. Right. So, yikes. I have it from good source. Two Swedish ladies that invited me for a biscuit. That this is supposed to be like the major power plant in Sweden, like the number one. So I have no idea about it, honestly. No idea if that's true or not, but goddamn, this must be fun to see once it opens. Jesus Christ, this is big. Anyway, let's try to cross it. As always, friends, this has been Adventures with Clueless Marek. Fucking hell, who would have thought that 150 kilometers in one day with fully loaded bicycle is not the easy task. But 14 more to go. Got him. I don't know if anything is visible from this. It's... Oof. Yeah, it's wow. Wow. Shit. Good morning. It's 5:30. I'm so fucking tired. kilometers far. Then it started to rain, so I crashed at some parking lot. Everything's wet. Anyway, the current situation. This is how it looks. You know, plus the whole thing is bent. It's supposed to be straight. Well, this is just bent. My shit over there. Let's get to Yok Yok. Guys, we are back in Yok Mok. I like the name. Let's see. There's the sports center. Let's see. Hopefully they have the bicycle rack. Fuck. So, there's there again. I went to hardware store. They didn't have anything, of course. They had only large ones. I tried sports center. That didn't work out. So now I'm in a parking lot of a big car repair store or repair shop. Some cool dude showed up with cans, chuck it in, told me to take it off, and now I'm waiting for him to see if his guys can do something about it, because it would be nice. So yeah, we got past the Arctic Circle, and then also something that's fun, as I mentioned before, most likely in the video somewhere, is that I lost my flip-flops, my sandals, which I loved very much, so I'm annoyed, but you know, you do what you have to do, and this is what I did. I got something in a gas station. It works, don't judge me. I do hate Crocs, but like, don't judge me. I need something else. I cannot ride in the shoes all the time. It's awful. Anyway, let's see what they say. Yeah, so it was me in Arctic Circle. I think we might actually get some night sleep or dark nights or something at this point. We are like going further south, so we'll see.